Stay cool and comfortable anywhere with the lifelong personal table fan, designed with powerful airflow, 3 speed settings, and a natural breeze mode for a more refreshing experience. It also features adjustable LED light modes for added convenience. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery and delivering efficient airflow performance, it ensures reliable cooling for longer durations. 3 adjustable fan speed modes for personalized cooling. 3 light modes to suit your ambience and lighting needs. Before use, check the bottom safety switch. If it's in off position, the fan won't turn on. Convenient USB Type-C charging ensures fast, easy power-up anytime, anywhere. Tilt the fan to adjust the airflow angle exactly the way you like for personalized cooling comfort. Easily hang it on the wall for hands-free cooling and space-saving convenience. Just switch it on, set your speed, and enjoy everyday comfort with a soft glow.